What if I told you that your biggest business growth hack in 2025 isn't a marketing strategy, a new product, or even a genius hire? It's automation, but not the clunky, overly technical kind that makes your head spin. I'm talking about a smarter, modern era of business automation that quietly works behind the scenes, stitching together your apps, tasks, and data into one seamless, money-saving machine. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we talk money moves, smart systems, and financial freedom without fluff. If you're someone who's building a business, scaling a side hustle, or just trying to reclaim your time in the name of productivity, you're going to want to lean in for this one. Let's face it, we're drowning in tools. Slack for communication, Google Drive for storage, Notion for notes, Stripe for payments, Trello for tasks, and 12 other platforms you barely remember signing up for. But here's the kicker, these tools don't talk to each other natively. You're stuck copying data from one place to another, switching tabs, sending just circling back emails. And that's where business automation is stepping in. Not to replace your workflow, but to make it work. Modern automation isn't about eliminating humans, it's about eliminating friction. Think of it like hiring a digital operations manager who works 24/7, never sleeps, never complains, and costs a fraction of an actual employee. Tools like Zapier, Make.com, Pabbly, and AI-powered platforms are now connecting your apps in ways that used to require a whole IT department. You can automate everything from sending a welcome email when someone buys a product, to moving signed contracts into the right client folder, to triggering alerts when a key metric dips. Let me give you a real-world example. A friend of mine runs a small but growing e-commerce business. Before automation, she was spending 5 hours a week just updating customer shipping details between Shopify and her shipping software. Now, it's all automated. Orders flow in, addresses are verified, labels are generated, and she gets notified only if something goes wrong. That one automation saved her over 250 hours last year. That's 6 full work weeks she got back. And the magic doesn't stop there. Let's talk documents, the lifeblood of every business. Contracts, invoices, tax forms, SOPs, they pile up fast. With tools like DocuSign, Google Workspace, and even AI tools like ChatGPT and Notion AI, managing documents has gone from chaos to controlled. Smart tagging, auto-filing, instant retrieval. It's not just document management anymore, it's document intelligence. You spend less time hunting for files and more time closing deals. But here's the part that gets really interesting. When your workflows are fully integrated, meaning your CRM talks to your email list, which talks to your accounting software, which talks to your file storage, you create what I call compound efficiency. Every automation multiplies the impact of the last. The result? You're not just saving time, you're unlocking scale. Now, if you're thinking this sounds great, but I'm not technical, don't worry. You don't need to be. These platforms are becoming more user-friendly every month. Drag and drop interfaces, pre-built templates, and AI suggestions are making it easier than ever for non-tech founders and solo entrepreneurs to automate like the big players. But I'm not going to pretend it's all sunshine and unicorns. There are pitfalls. Over-automation can create brittle systems. One broken link in your workflow and everything grinds to a halt. Privacy and data security, that's another beast. The more systems you connect, the more points of vulnerability you introduce. And don't get me started on subscription fatigue, these tools aren't always cheap. That said, the ROI is real when done right. The key is to start small. Automate what you do most often, then iterate. Measure the time saved. Ask yourself, what would I do with an extra 10 hours a week? Use that time to grow your income streams, learn a new skill, or hey, take a real vacation for once. Here's my take. The future of business isn't who can hustle harder, it's who can automate smarter. This isn't just about efficiency, it's about liberation. Reclaiming your time, creating systems that run when you don't, and yes, increasing your bottom line while reducing burnout. If this resonated with you, do me a favor, like this video and share it with someone who's still buried in spreadsheets. And if you've already started automating parts of your business, I want to hear about it in the comments. What tools are you loving? What's been your biggest win? And of course, subscribe if you want more content on personal finance, business systems, and investing your time, not just your money, wisely. Until next time, keep building smarter, not harder.